Have you ever stood up too quickly and felt that sudden rush of dizziness? Or maybe you've experienced that unsettling feeling of the world spinning even when you're perfectly still. For many of us, especially as we get older, this kind of dizziness can be frustrating and even a little scary. But I have some wonderful news for you. There are simple, gentle movements you can do right at home that can help stop vertigo and boost blood flow to your brain, sometimes in as little as 30 seconds. So, if you're ready to feel more steady and clear-headed, stick with me. Today, we're going to walk through a few gentle but incredibly powerful tricks that have helped thousands of people regain their balance and feel confident on their feet again. First, let's quickly understand what's happening inside your body when you feel dizzy. As we age, tiny crystals inside our inner ear, which are responsible for our sense of balance, can sometimes get dislodged and move where they don't belong. When this happens, your brain gets confusing signals, which creates that spinning or swaying sensation. On top of that, things like poor circulation can reduce blood flow to the brain, making that dizziness feel even worse. That's why the routine we're doing today is designed to tackle both issues at once, improving your balance and your circulation. Before we start, it's helpful to know which side might be causing the problem. Here's a simple way to check. Lie flat on your back in bed, then gently and slowly roll over to one side. Pay attention to how you feel. If turning to a particular side makes you feel more dizzy, that's likely the affected side. But don't worry too much about getting this perfectly right. These exercises are beneficial for both sides and can bring relief no matter where the issue is. A quick but important note. It is completely normal to feel a little dizzy or even slightly nauseous when you first try these movements. That's a sign that those inner ear crystals are starting to shift back into place. The key is to take it slow, breathe, and have a chair or something sturdy nearby for support if you need it. I promise over time, these sensations will fade as your balance improves. All right, let's begin with our first movement, known as the half somersault or the Foster maneuver. This is one of the most effective natural ways to stop vertigo. Start by kneeling on a soft surface like a yoga mat or a plush carpet. First, look up toward the ceiling for a moment. This helps reset your sense of orientation. Now, place your hands on the floor in front of you and gently tuck your chin toward your chest, moving into a position like you're about to do a little somersault. Once you're in this position, with your chin tucked, slowly turn your head about 45 degrees toward the side that feels more affected. For instance, if your dizziness is stronger on the left side, turn your head slightly toward your left arm. Hold this position until any spinning you feel completely stops. Then, wait another 20 to 30 seconds, just to be sure. Now, while keeping your head turned, lift your head up just enough so it's level with your back. Don't lift it all the way up. This specific movement helps guide those inner ear crystals back to where they belong. Hold this position again until any dizziness passes. Then very slowly, raise yourself back into a sitting position on your heels, keeping your head tilted to that same side. Finally, once you feel steady, gently bring your head back to a neutral, upright position. Many people feel relief after just one round of this, but feel free to repeat it a few times a day if you need to. Next up, we have a simple version you can do at home called the couch method or the Brandt-Daroff Exercise. This one is excellent for improving both balance and circulation. Sit on the edge of your couch or bed. Turn your head about 45 degrees to one side. Now, in one smooth, controlled motion, lie down on the opposite side so that your head is now facing slightly upward. For example, if you turn your head to the right, you'll lie down on your left side. Hold that position for about 30 seconds or until any dizziness you feel has completely stopped. Then, slowly sit back up. Now we repeat on the other side. Turn your head to the left and lie down on your right side. Hold for 30 seconds and come back up. Try to do this about 5 times on each side. I know it might trigger your symptoms at first, but don't be discouraged. With each repetition, your body learns to adjust and your balance will steadily improve. Now let's move on to another highly effective technique, the Epley Maneuver. This is one of the most trusted methods doctors recommend for resetting your inner ear balance. For this, you'll need a pillow. Lie down on your back, but position the pillow under your shoulders so that your head can tilt back slightly. Now turn your head quickly but safely, about 45 degrees toward the side that feels affected. Hold that position until the spinning sensation stops. Next, without lifting your head, turn it to the opposite side, again about 45 degrees, and hold until you feel steady. From there, roll your entire body onto that same side, so your nose is now pointing slightly toward the floor. Wait for everything to settle. Then, using your arms for support, slowly push yourself up to a sitting position, keeping your head level. This maneuver is fantastic for guiding those tiny crystals back into place. Done regularly, it can bring lasting relief. Finally, let's talk about the BBQ roll. It might have a funny name, but it's brilliant for improving both blood flow and balance. Lie flat on your back with your head supported by a pillow. Start by rolling onto the side that gives you the most dizziness. Hold there for about 30 seconds or until you feel calm. Then roll back onto your back and hold again. Next, roll to the other side and pause again until any spinning fades. From there, roll onto your stomach with your chin slightly tucked toward your chest. Finally, roll back onto the first side one more time and then slowly return to a sitting position. This gentle, full-body rolling motion helps reset your inner ear while encouraging blood to flow more evenly through your brain and neck. You can do these exercises a few times throughout the day, maybe in the morning before bed or whenever you feel a bit lightheaded. The more consistently you practice them, the stronger your balance will become and the better your circulation will get. Over time, many people find their dizziness completely disappears. And here's a little bonus tip. Staying hydrated, keeping your neck and shoulders relaxed, and taking slow, deep breaths are all simple things that help improve blood flow to the brain, which can make a huge difference in how steady you feel. If you often feel dizzy, tired, or off balance, please don't ignore it. It's your body's way of telling you that your circulation or inner ear needs a little extra care. With these gentle daily movements, you can help your body reset naturally and start feeling more confident, more balanced, and more in control of your life every single day. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these exercises bring you a lot of relief. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Stay safe and be well.